Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain AutoCAD app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with a quick in-app review about AutoCAD. So to get started, AutoCAD Mobile is a companion app to the full desktop version, allowing users to view, edit, and annotate DWG file directly from their mobile phones or tablet. It ideals for architects, engineers, and contractors who need access to drawing on the go. The app supports cloud integration, simple markup tools, real-time collaboration, and work well with stylus like the Apple Pencil, and making it practical for fieldwork and quick revision. However, it's not a full replacement for desktop AutoCAD. Complex tools like 3D modeling, advanced layering, and hatch features are missing. Some user also reports crashes with large file and performance lag on the older devices. And here's the overall conclusion. The app simply worth it for mobile access and basic edit on the go, but not ideal if you need a full CAD functionalities or advanced tools. And that's it.